that stink. Oh, this is the service elevator at Alon and Shemer Mall in Pardes, Hanna-Karkur, Israel. It's really stink here. It smells bad. Here's the inspection level. Just going to do another quick ride because I don't want to get busted. And the close button does not work. The capacity 1350 kilograms. I don't know which person it is, but look at this. Wow, it is really stink here. I believe this indicator stopped to roll. Man. Finally got some air. There it goes, and well, this elevator smells really bad. That's it.